said this was 16. This don't look like no 16.
Totally.
Look here, goddammit. You lace front baddies, y'all ain't gonna leave me out this summer. Thanks to Kelowna and Afterpay, I too will have a hot girl summer. Do we still have those? I'm gonna be a hottie this summer, okay? I'm gonna be on it. Y'all ain't leaving me behind. Now I'm probably late per usual, but I came across this company called Klaiyi. Klaiyi. I came across this hair company. You know, I personally never heard of it before. I did pay for this wig through Afterpay because I'm a baddie on a budget. Okay, I don't got it like that. I don't got it like that. I just don't got it like that. And ain't nobody gave me no brand deals for no wigs or nothing. Can y'all believe that? You might have gave me nothing. So all this comes up out of my pocket. Okay, so I bought, child, I don't know if this the shipping details. It came from Atlanta, that's all I know. Oh, we got some goodies, some good goodies, okay. I don't know the specific name of the curl pattern, but I want to be like, it's like a Jerry curl, kinky, you know, kind of vibe going on. It's a 4x4 closure. I wasn't trying to get this, so when y'all go on the site, pay attention. Pay attention, because this is how they get you. They have the T-part closures with the lace goes from like ear to ear, right? But it's about this much lace. And then it's just like a middle part. And then they have the 4x4 closures, which is this. And this is what it looks like. And honey, they said this was 16. This don't look like no 16. Let me shake it out. Have I been bamboozled? I think I've been bamboozled. Hoodwinked, if you will. This don't look like no 16. Maybe if you stretch it out. Somebody lied. It's soft though. But this is the 4x4. This is what it looked like on the inside. Or whatever. And then it comes with this adjustable band, which I like. I've never experienced a wig with this band on there. Like, I mean, I have, but it still was loose some type of way. With this one, you can actually adjust it according to your head size, and then they still have like the ordinary adjustable straps in the back. It is a Jerry curl, and then it comes with
They got me.
Oh, they got me, man. They got me. I bought a wig with kinky edges, and they ain't even give them to me. I done had this whole script wrote out about his kinky edges and how I thank the God for the person that made them, because I can't do these artistic ass baby hairs no more. And I'll be goddamn, they didn't even give me my edges. This some bullshit. Get your ass out there, refrigerator.
Damn it.
I got a pet man here, so never mind that. I'm very disappointed. I was so excited to get this wig. I feel like I can't even go through the rest of it. I'm just keep my composure. Just keep my composure, because it's still a good wig. It's still a good wig. Like I said, it's soft. There is very much so shedding though. There is some shedding, but it's very light. It's very minimum. It ain't no, like, it ain't no different from, oh, there we go. I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. So Yep. So it's definitely gonna shed. I'm pissed. I'm sorry. I can't even think straight. Then it came with one of these bands, you know, go around your head or whatnot. It comes with this wig cap. It's like your regular stocking cap, but this one is like super thin. Oh, baby, they gave me some lashes. These lashes is big as shit. Attention, not all black girls wear super thick, big, long lashes, but I appreciate these. I'll make them work. They actually some really good lashes. They're the 3D lashes. I don't know if y'all could see that, but what is this? What's this, lipstick? What's this? Oh, they gave me a little brushy brush. Anyway, I guess I'll go ahead and throw this puppy on. I'll be right back. I'm pissed. Y'all, I look like Little Richard. Wop, bop, boo, bop, bop, bam, boo. Goodness. I tried to like brush out the curls a bit. Damn, I should have did my research before I bought this shit. Lord, I'm so pissed. I could spit fire. I'm guessing this is supposed to be YS16. So when you straighten it, it's technically 16. Child, okay. We're just gonna spray some water and pray to baby Jesus. This is how much hair that shedded for me finger combing, but I guess I can work with this. I did have to go in and cut my own kinky edges. I can work with this. It ain't too bad. You just have to, I guess, comb out the original curl pattern. Now I will say it smells like perm, so they did do some type of like processing to get it like this. So I'm starting to see it stretch out a little bit. So I'm kind of getting, this is giving more of 12 inches instead of 16. Just me personally. It's giving more of a 12 inch than 16. Maybe a 14. This is the side where I just kind of brushed it out, and this is the side where I went back in and I just wet it. And this is just with water. I didn't add any product or oil or anything like that. A lot of my frustration is not because the hair is bad. So I do want to give like 110% honest review. Like, the hair is very soft. The way that it responds to water is really good. It does shed up. I would say more than what I would care for it to shed, just me personally. But I don't think you have to worry about it shedding like as you're wearing it. It's really soft, and once you do brush it out, you can like literally glide your fingers through. I just want to give y'all like a comparison. Like, you are gonna have to comb this out completely before you get the curl pattern. So when I first put it on, it was terrifying, but once I brushed it out and wet it, I did get to feel like the full experience of the hair. Here's the final look. It's not too bad. I did go in and I tried to make my own kinky edges, but it's not giving what it gave in the photo. Okay, it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. As far as plucking goes, like, it's optional. It's glueless. You don't have to worry about it going anywhere. I'm still kind of sour, okay? I'm just gonna let y'all know, like, it's a good wig. It's a great wig. If you want to go grab one, go grab one. But it's definitely a letdown for me. I'm dripping all over the place, honey. It's definitely a letdown for me personally, just because I had a whole different experience in mind. But like, for a person that didn't have any expectations, this is exactly what they wanted. Like, it's a great wig. Just honestly, it's a great wig. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Is it giving summertime baddie or what? Cause I'm a bit discouraged now. Until next time, bye.